This hazardous weather outlook is for the following counties in Kentucky: Adair, This is an Amber Alert. This is a child abduction emergency for the city of Jackson. The Jackson City Police Department is looking for a 19-year-old white male named Crawford Benison that has escaped from the Jackson Police Department. He was last seen wearing a golden bandana, gray shorts, a purple torso, and has high black boots. He was spotted driving a 1964 black Dodge Polara with a Kentucky license plate on it that is expired and is unknown, and is possibly heading for the city of Hazard, Kentucky, and was heading south on Kentucky Highway 15. If you have spotted or have seen this person, please call the Jackson City Police Department immediately for updates at 606-666-2424. Again, that's 606-666-2424.